Gabriel single house with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. 120 square meters lot area, same with Alexandra single house. And the floor area is 84 square meters. It has also provided with tiles together with the upstairs. Kitchen area. The first toilet and bath.
Pag na-receive mo siya, ganito siya. Nag-tiles na siya, no? Ang kagandahan dito, may mga sapakan doon. Para pag-ilagay na mga
Going upstairs with the 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. The second room. The master's bedroom. This one, it has no balcony. You'll be the one who will provide the balcony once you turn over the unit. The second toilet and bath with access in the master's bedroom. The first bedroom. It has provided with a stock room here in the first bedroom. Single window. Gabriel single house.